Hello guys, so in the last video we added these two buttons to change from text to image or image depending on what the user wants to get as an answer. So the problem that we had is that we were not scrolling to the bottom, or we did not remove focus to our bottom chat field when we send a message. So for that, let's fix that really quickly. So in a bottom chat field, let's start with our fixing the focus here. So here let's say let focus node, then let's initialize our focus node in its state, focus node. Let's also dispose our focus node dot dispose, and then here we also need to give our text field the focus node, and then down here, so after we have the successfully sent, we can just say focus node dot unfocus. That's how we remove the focus. Then here we can either leave it like this, or if we want, we can say text editing controller dot clear. Either way, it's still fine. So like this, that's how we remove the focus. Let's also add the onSubmitted method here, onSubmitted like that. And then here all we have to do is just the same. We'll send the message once the user presses the submit button on his keyboard. So let's take this and paste it here. This is just the same thing that happens when you press the send button. So for the focus, we are done. Let's go back to our chat list to fix the automatic scrolling here. So for that, let's come back here and then say our final scroll controller, say messages controller is equal to scroll controller. Let's say scroll or messages controller, like that. So let's dispose our controller. We say messages controller dot dispose, and then down here now, here we can do our automatic scrolling method. So we say automatic scroll down on new message. So whenever we get the new message, we'll automatically scroll down. So to do that, we're going to say scheduler binding dot instance dot add post frame callback. Then let's cross it out, and then down here we have to say message controller dot jump to, and then we get our message controller dot position, and then scroll to the max, let's say max scroll extent, like that. So this will be called whenever we receive a new message, and then we just need to call our controller here on our list view builder, say messages controller. So let's restart the application. We should able to scroll down automatically here. Let's see. Okay, so we have scrolled, but now we have a problem. You've seen the images will be taking some time to load depending on the internet that we have, so we need to fix that as well. So now let's put it here and try to send a message. Let's say like something like describe an orange in a few words. Let's see if so it has scrolled, and then the focus has also worked. So great, we have fixed that. Now we need to fix we need to store these images in an image cache manager, so that when we start the application we don't have to load the image again. For the good user experience, we need to store these images and just load the application faster. So as you can see, we are taking time to load the images. This is not what we want. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.